Hey, Pokemaster3030 here. I'm back with a review of Mac OS X Mavericks, the new operating system for Macintosh. It was just recently released about a week ago. I upgraded a little while ago, and I wanted to have some time to play around with it, and now I can give you guys the review, my opinion of it at least. So, anyways, let's get started. But before we start, go if I go to about this Mac, then you guys can see I'm on version 10.9 Mavericks. So, anyways, we'll just close this out. So, the first new feature that I like is well, before I go on, bear with me because I didn't get Mountain Lion. So, if I accidentally say something that was from Mountain Lion, forgive me. But anyways, the first thing is maps. So this is a new program from Mavericks, and basically it's like the Maps application on your iPhone or iTouch. And I've never used this actually, so don't allow. Uh, Cancel. So as you can see, there's a bunch of everything here. There's all the United States, there's Canada. Well, it's a map, so there's everything. So let's type in maybe the Statue of Liberty. Alright, and we'll switch to satellite. And let's zoom in a little bit. As you can see, there's the Statue of Liberty. I think there's a way to do flyover right here. If you do flyover, I'll zoom in a little more. It's really cool. A lot of cool features. You can rotate it to make it look even better. There we go. See, and I think that looks pretty cool. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I think I personally like this. I think it's pretty cool. You can see the trees they try to make 3D. So anyways, let's quit out of this. So that's the first new feature. The second feature I want to talk to you about is iBooks. It's basically books on your Mac. You can read books on your Macintosh. And I have not yet used iBooks because I like to go classic and read regular books. I know a lot of you guys like to download them on your tablets or your Nook or your Kindle or whatever you have, and now you can also download them on your Mac. So that's pretty convenient. And I forgot to mention, in Maps right here, you can get directions. If you use your current location, you can get directions to where you want, and you can send it to your iPhone. And once you get in the car, you will have your directions all ready to go. So I think that's a pretty neat feature. So anyways, the next new feature, which is my personal favorite, if you open Finder. Well, let me talk to you about different Finder things first. First, they added tabs, so you can make new tabs in Finder. So instead of like having to open multiple Finder windows to like find your things that you want, you can just open Finder tabs. So maybe I can go to Applications in this tab. I can go to Desktop on this tab. I can go to I don't know, Dropbox on this tab, and you can switch through them pretty easily. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. Let's just quit out of all these. And my personal favorite feature is tags, and basically tags are pretty much like hashtags on your Mac. So if you go to maybe like a document, I'll just open Pages to show you guys an example, like a demo or something. So anyways, my computer's a little slow, as you can tell. It's 2009 MacBook. So I'm gonna be getting a new computer soon, but I'm not getting a Mac. I'm getting a PC. I'm switching, but I'm gonna keep this Mac so I can do schoolwork and stuff like that, you know? So anyways, if this will load anytime soon, that would be great. I was doing a school project. So anyways, let's do new. and blank canvas, and I don't know, let's add a text box. We'll just say hello Pokemaster 3030 and then subscribe. So anyways, can modify this, but me being the lazy person I am, I'm not going to modify it. So then you go to File, Save. I'm just doing Command S. And as you can see, it says Save As, and then under it, it says Tag. So let's just save it as Tagging Test 1. And then tags, let's tag it to, I don't know, maybe, gray's boring. Let's tag it to green. Oh, you can tag it to gray and green. That's pretty cool. But I just want to tag it to green. And we'll push save. So now if we go to Finder and we go to the green tag right here, as you can see, it is not there. Okay. Oh, never mind. It is there. Okay. I was a little confused for a second. Like, what? Is this a bug? Yeah, but anyways, this is my favorite feature because it makes organizing things on your Mac very easy and simple. You can just save it to tags, and I think you can also rename these tags if I'm correct. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I'm pretty sure you can name them. I will figure out how to do that eventually. But as you can see, now I'm going to mention some maybe small differences. If you can remember in Mountain Lion and Lion and any previous version, if you could select a folder, and then if you tag them, it wasn't called tags, if you tag them to green, it would highlight in green, but now it just has a little green button. In this case, it's a yellow button, not green. Don't worry, guys, I'm not colorblind. Yellow button next to it. So that's a pretty small difference. I'm just going to quit out of this. And I'll quit out of Pages. And also, the dock changed. I don't know if you can tell, but the dock is a lot more, I guess, glossy, I'd say. And they got rid of the dot under it when the program is open. Now it's just like a little square, like right here, lit up square. Yeah, and that's all really. There's more things. Let's see, am I missing anything? They updated calendar. They updated notification center as well. Oh, and another small change. As you can see, they used to use that fabric. I don't know what it's called, but it was like a fabric-like thing. But now it's just gray in the background. It's not like a fabric felt or I don't know what it is. It's not felt. But anyways, let's see. Am I missing anything else? I did iBooks, maps. I think that is about it for Mac OS X Mavericks. But also a little warning: if you use ScreenFlow 3, it is not compatible with Mavericks. So unless you're willing to upgrade to ScreenFlow 4, which I am not, so I'm using Screenium right now, I suggest you stay on Lion or Mountain Lion. And eventually, if you want, because I do recommend this operating system. It is a good operating system. I was tentative on upgrading because I haven't upgraded for a while, and I was worried that a lot of my programs weren't going to work. But my computer's been actually pretty fast. The battery life's been pretty long, too. I think it increases your battery life because I've been on my computer for a pretty long time, and I would assume by now it would be at like 58%, but it's at, as you can see, it's at 67%. So, anyways, that's about it for this review. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, and goodbye.